Do you dread the idea of working out? Do you wish you could be like other people who are super excited about their next workout, who look forward to exercising? I'm one of those people. Not all the time, but in most cases, I do look forward to exercising. And you can too. You just need to shift your mindset a bit. The first thing you need to understand is that exercise isn't and should never be a form of punishment. Exercise should never be seen as a way to punish yourself for eating an extra donut or for all those years where you let yourself go. Exercise should be seen as a form of self-care and self-love. You do it because your body is a temple and it deserves to be treated with respect. Just like if you own a fancy car or a nice house, you need to upkeep and maintain it. I know some of you spend more time and money maintaining your car than your actual health, but that's a different story. You love it, that's why you're taking care of it, not the other way around. Next, you need to understand that exercise is a privilege. Not everyone has the opportunity to be able to do things that you're still able to do at this point in your life. Take advantage of it while you can, it's not gonna last forever. As your journey progresses and you start becoming the strongest version of yourself, trust me when I say this, you're not gonna wanna go back. I've had several ups and downs, but I'm in a place where I don't wanna go back to what I was. And once you get a taste of becoming the strongest and healthiest version of yourself, that's gonna motivate you to keep on going. Perspective is everything. So next time you wonder why that person at the gym has a huge smile on their face or someone is super peppy as they're jogging around town, know you can be that too. It's all in here. Hope this helps.